Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today we are diving into a detailed comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub. The BLACK+DECKER model boasts a fully automatic operation with a stainless steel tub and multiple wash cycles, making it a robust choice for those who value convenience. On the other hand, the Erivess model features a unique twin tub design, allowing for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save you valuable time in your laundry routine. Both machines are designed for small living spaces, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's break down their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer operates fully automatically, meaning you can simply load your laundry, select your desired cycle, and let the machine do the work for you. In contrast, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub requires manual intervention for each step, as it features separate compartments for washing and spinning. This semi-automatic design allows for more control but requires more effort from the user. If you prefer a hands-off approach, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better option. When it comes to design, the BLACK+DECKER features a single tub design that combines washing and spinning in one compartment, making it straightforward to use. Meanwhile, the Erivess offers a twin tub design, which allows you to wash and spin clothes at the same time, enhancing efficiency. This design is particularly beneficial for those who want to multitask during laundry day. However, it does require more space and manual effort to manage both tubs effectively. In terms of capacity, the BLACK+DECKER can handle approximately 11 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. The Erivess, however, boasts a washing capacity of 20 pounds, making it a better choice for larger loads or families. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments at once. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub have their unique strengths. The BLACK+DECKER offers the convenience of fully automatic operation and a durable design, while the Erivess provides a space-saving twin tub system that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning. Your choice will ultimately depend on your laundry needs, space availability, and personal preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.